I've got an incredible Filipino chicken curry for you to cook this week. This delicious recipe combines protein-packed chicken, sweet potatoes, and an aromatic blend of spices, all covered in a rich coconut milk-based sauce. It's incredibly quick and easy to prepare, and unlike some curries, it's very mild, which makes it popular with the kids or folks who don't like a lot of spice.
Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Baptiste and welcome back to my Food for Fitness kitchen. One of the things that makes this curry a bit different from others you might have had is that curries from the Philippines tend to be a bit milder compared to ones from Thailand or India, for example. This is because generally in Filipino cooking, you rely on the aromatic qualities from the other ingredients as opposed to just like the pure heat coming from a chili. Another one of the distinctive elements of Filipino curries are the use of coconut milk, and we're going to use light coconut milk to keep the calories down, but it still just adds a beautiful, light, creamy, silky sauce that really makes it a delicious curry. Right, ready to go? Let's cook.
So for the 3 veggies that we're using, you want to chop them into say 1 to 2 centimeter cubes. You don't need to finely chop it. We're not hoping that the veggies disappear into the sauce. We want them all to be there at the end so we can see them and they have a bit of bite to them. So make sure you peel your sweet potato first and give it a wash before chopping it as well. Then heat some coconut oil in a wok on a medium to high heat. Often I just say use any oil, but I think coconut oil really works best for this as it does impart a bit of a sweet flavour to it. So you want to fry those veggies for somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes. And then you're going to add your chicken breast and make sure you season that. And then you're going to fry that off for a couple more minutes just to allow it to brown up. You don't need it to be fully cooked at this point, just make sure there's no pink bits remaining on it. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do click that like button. It just really helps the video out and means more people will get a chance to see it. Then once you've done that, add some paprika and curry powder. You can use mild, medium or hot, depending on your own preference, along with equal measures of garlic and ginger. I'm using an all-in-one paste. Always use this for cooking curries, and I'll link to the one I use in the description below. Once you've added those ingredients, fry them off for about 30 seconds or so before adding your can of light coconut milk. You can use full fat if you so wish, but I use light coconut milk because it still gives a delicious flavour just without so many calories. And then add a tablespoon of fish sauce. The fish sauce is key for a lot of dishes like this. Even if you don't like fish, you still need to add it because it's not that fishy, it just adds a real depth of flavour. If you really can't stand it, you could use soy sauce instead. Anyway, reduce the heat to more of a medium and then simmer that for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the chicken to fully cook through and the sauce to thicken up. And then you just need to serve it and garnish it with something green and then get stuck in.
So there we have it, Filipino style chicken curry. Looks delicious, the smell coming off it is unbelievable, and all that's left is to get stuck in. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are a new viewer, make sure to hit that subscribe button because then you'll be notified as soon as I post a high protein recipe. Because I post 2 a week and I post them here on YouTube before they go anywhere else. So do that and leave a comment and let me know what you think of this recipe once you made it. I'm off to go and eat it. I'll speak to you later.